Howdy everyone, I am Naman from Explorers of Funtech and today I'll be showing you how you can add conditional logic to your Google Forms. Now this is very easy to do. Now over here I have already created a demo form for this quick tutorial. Now what this form asks for is your name, your email, and then it asks for what product you are interested in, and you have 4 options: iMac, AirPods, MacBook Pro or nothing. Now what we'll be doing is that if a person clicks on iMac, then he'll be led to a customized section made for the iMac questions, like what are your most wanted iMac features and other things. So that's what conditional logic is. Now I have already created sections for all of my options, so you will also have to do this. Now let me explain this in an easy way. So first you will have to create an MCQ question with all of your options. Now you will have to create a section based on that particular option. For example, for this iMac choice which I have added over here, I have created a section called iMac with a customized question called what is your most wanted iMac feature in detail. Also, I have created sections for AirPods and the MacBook Pro M1X options which I have added in this question. So for example, for the AirPods, I have created a customized section which asks a customized question called what is your most wanted AirPods feature in detail. For MacBook, I have created another section named MacBook Pro M1X, and I have asked a customized question, what is your most wanted MVP M1X feature in detail. Now how conditional logic will work is that if a person selects MacBook Pro M1X in this question, then he'll have to click a button and then he'll automatically be redirected to this MacBook Pro section which I have created. Similarly, if a person selects AirPods, then he'll be redirected to this customized AirPods question and he won't see these other questions which I have created. So that is what conditional logic is. So to add it to your Google Forms, first add an MCQ question, add some options to it, then add sections according to those options. After that, select the question in which you want to add the conditional logic. Now click on these 3 dots and over here select this which says go to section based on answer. Select this. Now this gives us 4 drop down menus in front of our options. Now if I want to lead a person who selects iMac to the iMac section which I have created, select this drop down and then select the section to which you want to lead the person to. So in my case, if a person selects iMac, I want him to go to the iMac section. So I'll select this. Next, for the AirPods, I'll select the AirPods section. For MacBook Pro, I'll select that section. And if a person chooses nothing, I want him to submit the form. Now, let's preview our form and see if this is working or not. So click on the preview button on the top right over here. So now this is what a person filling in your form would see. First he'll have to enter his name, email is optional. Now he'll have to select the product he is interested in. For example, I'll select AirPods. Now he'll have to click on next. And now as you can see, he has automatically been redirected to this AirPods section over here. What is your most wanted AirPods feature in detail? Now let me click on back. Now if I select iMac over here and click on next, then I'll be led to the iMac section which asks for the most wanted iMac feature, which is a customized section and a customized question according to the option which I had selected. So this is how conditional logic works, and I hope that you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.